watching NBC4, the Tri-State News Channel. And now, Sue Simmons, Matt Flower, Al Roker, and Len Berman. This is News Channel 4, live at 5.
With a pencil, we're going to give you an 800 number in a minute, and it's part of the information you need to save yourself from skin cancer. It's now so common that there are more cases of skin cancer than all other types of cancer. And Marie saved herself, and you can too.
One that I thought was a very cute, quarter moon mole on my body turned out to be melanoma.
That wasn't the mole you went in for.
I spotted something different on my body that prompted me to go and get checked.
Screening saved Anne-Marie's life because the doctor spotted a melanoma. That's the deadliest form of skin cancer. But not all of the 700,000 Americans who develop skin cancer this year will be as lucky.
There's about 8,500 people predicted to die of skin cancer in 1996. About 7,300 of those will be related to melanoma.
The American Academy of Dermatology says we should look for skin cancer warning signs. They call them the ABCs. A, moles that are asymmetrical. That means one side is unlike the other. B, spots with border irregularities, particularly borders that change. And C, growths with color variations from one area to the other.
Well, when it is caught in the first stage, basal cell skin cancer, squamous cell skin cancer, and melanoma can have greater than a 95% chance of cure.
Some blame the growing rate of skin cancer, a 12.5% increase a year, on the thinning ozone layer.
The ozone layer may have some part to it, but the greatest reason for developing skin cancer tends to be our exposure to the sunshine.
To cut back on sun damage, Dr. Shelton suggests the following. Avoid sunburns, get no more than a half an hour of unprotected sun a day, and use a sunscreen even on overcast and rainy days. How do you feel about it now?
I feel very lucky.
Now, if you don't have a physician who's trained to do the evaluation, the American Cancer Society is sponsoring free skin cancer screenings. They're at 15 locations in the tri-state area, and they are this weekend. For the time and location of a skin scan center near you, you can call 1-800-417-1ACS. That's for American Cancer Society, 1-800-417-1ACS.